The Montreal Roundtable on the Transition of Religious Property is a first-of-its-kind project, bringing together government, foundation, civic, and faith-based organizations around the question of how our city's churches, synagogues, monasteries, and more can be repositioned to serve the social economy. Mark Twain famously called Montreal the city of 100 steeples. Today, that number is now more than 400, many of which are in a serious situation of both financial and physical peril. In this first year of our 5-year program, the table began by assembling data from all parties, presenting a vision for a shared data platform, the highlight of which was a list of priority religious properties for the charitable and community sector from Montreal's Association of Community Tables. Our research then led to the need for cohabitation between those secular and religious charities, avoiding one of our biggest challenges in the black or white limited choices of either consecrated or deconsecrated spaces. Third, we considered the many environmental considerations for this transition, including the embodied carbon, heritage, and natural building materials, all of which are so often surrounded by and dependent upon some of Montreal's most precious green spaces. This led to a working list of governance tasks, including new nonprofit operating companies, tax exemptions, and diverse governance boards, blending with the realities of the ancient and historic faith-based owners of today. These 4 priorities of the table contributed to its principal priority, discussing radically new, scalable, collaborative, and innovative forms of social finance to help bring this transition into reality. Jacques Chagnon, the former leader of Quebec's National Assembly, first encouraged this work by prophesying that the transition of religious property could become one of Quebec's greatest export products. Supported by its stakeholders, the table now moves into its 2nd year. We're excited to see what comes next for Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and the world.